Looking to migrate from Shopify to WooCommerce but worry about data loss, downtime, or platform incompatibility? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to migrate from Shopify to WooCommerce hassle-free with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service. Migrating from Shopify to WooCommerce isn't as simple as drag and drop your data between platforms. First, Shopify separates payment and fulfillment statuses, while WooCommerce uses one main order status. So partially refunded or partially fulfilled orders may not map exactly. Next, Shopify uses automated collections to group products based on conditions, such as product tags, prices, or stock levels. WooCommerce, however, organizes products through categories without carrying over these rules. After migration, the existing products may remain in the category, but new products that meet the same conditions won't be added automatically. To keep the same behavior, you'll need to add products to category manually or recreate the rules with custom code. But with LitExtension's all-in-one migration service, you won't have to worry about any of that. First of all, you can rely on our knowledge about both Shopify and WooCommerce since LitExtension already has over 15 years of experience. Even better, there will be a personal assistant to manage the migration from start to end. Plus, all additional options are included at no extra cost. And once your migration is complete, we offer up to 60 days of free technical support to resolve issues, if any. Now, let's take a look at how LitExtension handles this process for you. First, you'll start with a one-on-one consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss your requirements, review your store on Shopify, and confirm the exact needs for a successful migration to Shopify. Next, your dedicated personal assistant will set up your target store on WooCommerce and customize the data mapping system to prepare a proper environment for the migration. Once everything is ready, we'll run a demo migration to ensure the data transfers correctly. Our team will validate the results, and you'll have the chance to review the demo to make sure everything looks right. After you're satisfied with the demo, we move on to the full migration from Shopify to WooCommerce. As mentioned, additional migration options are included at no extra cost. Once the full data migration completes, we will conduct several rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been accurately and completely migrated according to your requirements. After testing, we'll ask for your final confirmation of the migration results. Finally, we provide post-migration support. This includes unlimited recent data migration, 2 free re-migrations, unlimited free smart updates, all with specific conditions applied, and up to 60 days of technical support. And that's how seamless it is to migrate from Shopify to WooCommerce using LitExtension's all-in-one migration service. Enjoy all the exclusive benefits when migrating from Shopify to WooCommerce with LitExtension, including accurate and secure data transfers from Shopify to WooCommerce. Clear migration process is offered before getting to the real work. Inclusive additional migration options at no extra cost. Keep selling while migrating because we ensure 100% store uptime. Personalized migration experience to meet all your requirements. And post-migration support to give you complete peace of mind. So go for LitExtension, your trusted expert in e-commerce migration.